Hi everyone! Welcome to our 4th annual Customer Appreciation event. Here we have everything from classes to raffles to food. We have an open house so you could tour all the domes on site, meet all of the staff. We also use this as an opportunity to teach classes. So we have a number of different classes throughout the day that apply both to dome owners and non-dome owners. So it's a great event for everyone in the community.
I love having this event every year because, it gives the opportunity for the customers, dome owners, dome enthusiasts, our employees to all come together, and some games and some rock painting for the kids, and really just our community coming together to hang out and talk about what we all love, the growing domes.
So the greenhouses are pretty nice actually. They have lots of plants in them. I like all the fishes in all the greenhouses. Some of my favorite things is they helps plants grow, keeps the plants away from storms and stuff. And I like how they have plants and trees growing while there's snow outside. So some of my favorite plants are actually broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, the little ones, and very good. Yeah.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like a regular cherry tomato mixed like a bit of sweetness. They are way better than the tomatoes at the store because they're freshly picked, and I actually, with my booba, grow tomatoes, and I got cherry tomato. I see a little orange flower. It tastes like salad with a bit of a kick to it. I'm about to eat a fig. You have to wash it off before you eat it. It's very sweet.
Is it like candy?
It tastes like candy, but it's healthy.
One of the challenges that I run into every day is I'm speaking with people on the phone or I'm speaking to them over the internet, so email. It is wonderful to get face-to-face connections. We've been in Pagosa Springs for 30 years, and so we do have a community here, so I get to see people weekly. However, there are lots of people that I need to connect with personally, and this provides me that opportunity. So it's wonderful to have people come in from all over the United States and bring their children and bring their family. I get to connect with everybody, learn names, and learn what they're about and what their interests are, so it helps me greatly. And it really does drive home the sense of community that we provide as a service with our product. And when you buy with us, you do get to join the community. You're buying into a lifestyle and a product, and we are here to support you for the remainder of your life or the life of your dome.